Today I'm going to attempt to do some makeup on my face because it's been a long while. So I'm going to tell you a story of how I almost drowned in a pool when I was young. I was about 10 years old and I have never entered the pool. And my school took us for a show at a recreational center. It basically had pool, bouncy castle, all those stuff, and there were kids there. I really wasn't thinking, I didn't think I was going to even meet the pool there. I wasn't prepared. I went in my school uniform. And then I saw the pool and I was like, wow, nice. I get to enter a pool for the first time in my life. Bear in mind that I didn't even have my swimsuit or anything. I basically went for a show, but I had my singlet and I had my shorts, as an underwear. And I was like, okay, I can enter the pool with this. So I took a shower and I climbed that stuff that makes you slide down into the pool, whatever that is. I don't know. So I climbed it. Little did I know that the particular one I climbed, because there were like 4, the particular one I climbed was going to lead me to the deepest part, and that was the one that looked fun the most. It was curly and all that stuff, so that's why I took that one. So I was enjoying the ride, and then the next thing I found myself in the pool. I was at the deepest part, and as a first timer, I don't know how to swim, so I was just there struggling to come out. I think what pains me the most is the fact that it was Lekki, was a rich man's area at that time, and I saw kids in the pool as I was struggling to come out, and in my mind I was like, you guys come and save me, but they were all looking at. Fortunately for me, there was a lifeguard, so he came to my rescue. He pulled me out and was like, do you know how to swim? Of course I was ashamed and I was like, no, I don't know how to swim. Then he was like, okay, but do I want to stay in the pool? Stubborn girl like me, of course I still wanted to stay in the pool. Then he told me to, stay by the shallow part. And so I held on to some rails until I was tired of staying in the pool. One of my friends was like, oh, Rachel, come, let me teach you how to swim. I was like, Ogbeni, not today. Till today, I'm forever grateful to, what's it called? To the lifeguard that came to carry me out of the pool, because who knows what would have happened if there was no lifeguard. Anyway, that's the story of how I almost drowned in the pool. It was my first time. I didn't know how to swim. I just wanted to enter the pool, and I've always been very cautious since then. I'm not a very good swimmer. I'm still kind of scared of drowning, but I hope I'm very good at swimming later in life. So this is the part I really don't like. The parts where you have to add the eyelashes. To be honest, who even brought up these eyelashes to start with? Because earlier I used to be very good at it, but now I'm just tired. Like, I really can't wear lashes for that long. It just feels so heavy. I don't know. Am I the only one that feels that way? I really greet those people that wear lashes for so long, for days. Man, you guys are trying. I'm really trying to be comfortable with this. I don't know how girls do it, to be very honest. So yes, it looks pretty when my eyes are closed. It looks pretty in pictures, but like, God, I can't. Oh God. So this is the final look. I'm just going to use some setting spray, wear my earrings. I don't know. I'll be right back.